Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw BUSD from your Trezor wallet to KuCoin in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process is more secure and efficient than ever, but we'll keep it simple so you can follow along easily. Whether you're building your portfolio or just moving funds, let's get started. First off, before we jump in, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Trezor hardware wallet with BUSD stored in it, the Trezor Suite app installed on your computer, and a verified KuCoin account with your deposit address handy. Always prioritize security. Double-check your wallet and exchange details to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Connect your Trezor device to your computer via USB and launch the Trezor Suite app. If you haven't used it before, it's a user-friendly interface for managing your crypto. Step 2. Once in the app, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select BUSD from your asset list. Here, you'll see your balance. Choose the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any potential network fees that might apply in 2025. Step 3. Head over to your KuCoin account on another tab or device. Go to the deposit section, select BUSD, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: verify the network type, like BEP20 or whatever standard by then, to ensure compatibility. Step 4. Back in Trezor Suite, initiate a send transaction. Paste the KuCoin address, enter the amount, and review the details carefully. Step 5. Confirm the transaction on your Trezor device itself. This physical confirmation is what makes hardware wallets so secure. Once done, the transfer will broadcast to the blockchain. Step 6. Sit tight and monitor the transaction. It should appear in your KuCoin account within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Trezor app or Blockchain Explorer for confirmation. A quick word of caution: crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify addresses and be aware of fees. By 2025, regulations might have changed, so stay updated. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw BUSD from Trezor to KuCoin. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.